Hi, good morning everyone. Can you hear my voice? Confirm? Just drop a message in the chat box. Audible. Okay. So yesterday, what I'm discussed some few tags, right? Today also we can discuss about some tags. Okay. Can you visual my screen? Okay. Thanks, ma'am. Okay, just 2 minutes. I will come back later. Some issue is there. Hi, and come back. So yesterday what I'm discussing some few tags, right? Today also discuss about some of the tags. Okay. See, what is that? This is the version checking, right? This doc type HTML. Next, you have to write a file in the HTML file. Which language? English language. That is in a HTML. Inside, you have to write in a language attribute and value is in a English, EN. This is the root file of the HTML file. This is the HTML tag. And inside HTML tag, what you write? One of the header tag and body tag, right? This is the header tag and this is the body tag. Two tags are right in the HTML file. Okay. This is the root file. Inside you have to write header tag and body tag. In this header tag, what type of tags inside right in your header tag? Metadata, right? What is the use of the metadata? You have to response your web page and character set. This type of you can write in the header tags. It can use for the your web page. Okay. Next, what is the use of this title tag? You have to this title tag what is the use of this title tag means you have created a file, right? You have to title you have to give in your HTML file. That is where to run. For example, my web page. This is the tag title inside the tag. Where to run in this title tag? Just go to just open with live server. Just you can see in the browser. This is the tab. Inside tab you can which is visible in the browser tab, right? In this my web page, you create an HTML file. You can given the title for that HTML page that is inside the title tag. The title tag is visible in the browser tab. Okay. The side icon is there, right? This is the default is Chrome is there. Now you can create your own your icon. How to create, just in this header tag, one more tag you have to write here. You can see this is the icon, right? Web page left side, this is the icon, right? This is the default, the browser icon will visible, right? Now you can change your icon. You can given a own icon, you can given it. How it is, just go to MS Paint. Okay. Just create your icon. You can design your small icon. Just small icon you can given it. You can create and something. You can design a small icon. Just you can save it. Control S. The folder you can save. The folder name is what? HTML5, right? This is the create in your folder, right? This is HTML folder. You can go and write a icon name str star dot extension must be ICO or PNG, anyone. ICO. The icon should be extension is ICO. Just you can save it. You can save the file in the HTML5 folder. See, this is the HTML5 folder, right? You can extension with .ico. Just click on it. See, the icon should be visible here, right? Whatever you design. Just how to this icon display in the browser icon. In this my web page, right? This is the title tag, which is visible in the browser. And in the left side, you can visible in the icon. How to visible, you can write one more tag is there. Just go to index.html. You can write one more tag. Before you can write a title tag below, just you can write a link tag. Link tag. Inside link tag, two more attributes is there. Relation. Relation equal to icon. And href equal to is an attribute. You can give in a file path for the icon. Where is the icon? This is the index.html file. This is the star.icon. These two files inside the HTML file, right? Now The start.ico is the current folder, right? Now current folder you can mention dot and slash. This the single dot is in a current document and means index.html file and ICO. These two are in the same folder, right? So this dot means the dot means you have in the current folder. So slash star ICO. Okay, this is the link tag. Relation is the attribute. This is what is the use of this relation? This is the tells something about the href. This is using for the relation for the icon, and href is the attribute. This attribute gives the file icon path. Okay, now you can in the open with live server just go and check. This is the icon. Default it is placed as an a browser, right? Now you can create a own icon. Okay, understood in this one, which is visible in the browser tab only. Okay, the icon also visible in the browser tab where it is the title left side. Okay, the title tag also visible in the browser tab and icon also visible in the browser tab. Okay, these two tags are placed inside the header tag only. Okay, you can create your own icon which is visible in the browser tab. Understood? Now, whatever you write in the body tag that is visible in the browser, right? This page you can visible in the browser. The tags are visible in the browser only. Okay, whatever you write in the body. So here explain some tags. Okay. Now some you can write some data, right? The data display in the browser. Now some data data is visible in the browser like list format. Okay, list format nothing but some key points is there, right? In your page, any data, some key points is there. The key points how to show like one, first key point, second key point, like that, right? Now this type of format, this 1, 2, 3, this type of format, you can visible in the browser. What type of tags you have to write? You can some tags are visible in the decimal format. Some tags are data in the visible in the this format. Like this format, you can mention the tags. What type of tags you have to write? You can write in the list format, unordered list, unordered list, order list, and description list. Okay, unordered list means this type of. Order list means we can display in the decimal format like 1, 2, 3 like that. Description list means you can use, I mean, see how to write this one. You can display in the browser. Just order list how to write. I want to display the unordered list format. What is the what type of tags you have to use? See, order list. We can use a tag is unordered list. Unordered list format can display in the browser, right? What is the tags you have to write? Unordered list. There's an open tag and closing tag. Inside you have to write a li tags. Okay. This is the list items. Li tags. Inside place a content is like 1, 2, 3, any format. I mean in any text. I'm right. Simple. And next one list item 2. I'm example take the data 1, 2 like that. You have to based on data your requirement you have to place inside the li tags. like that. This is the order list. How to display this tag in browser? Just see. Just copy paste and go to the browser. Inside body can display the browser, right? Just you can print it. Just open with live server. See how to display in the default. See, this is the disk format. You can print a list format, right? This type of, this is line by line print. Means the LI default behavior is what? Which line, which elements? Block level elements, right? The block level elements are line by line print. The LI tags is line by line, means by default it is in a block level element. By default, the unordered list placed as a dot notation, right? This is a disk format. Okay. Now the default given a your unordered list tag is this disk format. Now you can change it. You can change that li tags, means using a attribute. Attribute means what? Key and value pair, right? You can change a default nature in any element. You can add a attribute. Is a UL is a one specific attribute is type. By default type is in a disk, right? Disk. See in the browser, see this is the disk format. You can print in the browser. Now you can change circle type equal to circle you want. See, the display in the browser is circle format, right? You can change it by default. Now you can write in the square format. Just change a type, square. See, this is the square format you can display in the list, right? Now by default, the UL tags given one type of style. You can change it that format. Okay, using attributes. Attributes where to place. This attributes where to place in this open tag. Just space it and you can write a attribute. This is the key and this is the value. Okay. This is the li tags are which format, which elements? These are block level elements, right? And also you can write change a type unordered list. You can type equal to default is describe. Now you can change a type for the particular type is what? Circle, square, like that. Okay. You can image also, you can print it. By using CSS, you can write a URL for the image attribute. Okay, you can change the behavior. Okay, image also you can print it. Using CSS, by using list style type is a background image, you can add it. At the CSS, you can explain that to everyone. And unordered list. Now you can display in the data in the browser order list. How it is looks like means order list. It is in an open tag. Now closing tag is order list. Inside the list items, you can write it. Li tag. You can write 1 and 2, 3, 4. Just taking in 2 lines. Just you can print it. How to display in the browser this order list. Control V. See, open with live server. See, by default, display format, you can print a list item, right? 1, 2. You not recommended, just you can change the behavior. Now we can 1, 2, right? By default given a order list, display format. Now we can change it. Type equal to default is in a decimal format, right? Now you can change it. type equal to, like you can print a alphabetical order list by using lowercase. Just you can a starting with a. Okay, just save it. See, a and b you can print the list item, right? Now you can change a alphabet is small lowercase, right? Now you can write uppercase. You can start with a control s. You can change it, right? You can start a list item for a b. Okay. Now one more attribute is there. Start where to start? Type is equal to a start. Okay. Next, Roman numbers you can print it. The type is what? Roman numbers. I, right? Now can print Roman numbers in lowercase. See, the list item in the lowercase you can print it. And also uppercase you can print. The type should be I, capital I. Okay. 1, 2. This format. You can change the default behavior. You are not using by default. You can change that particular the list items. Okay. By using type attribute. By using another list is in a square, circle, this type of structure you can write it. Okay. Now we can explain about the some few tags is. Now you can load the image in the HTML file. What is the using of the tag? Which tag you have to use? You can print the image. Now you can load the image in your browser. Which tag you have to use? By using image tag. Okay. By using image tag is inside one more attribute there, specific attribute source. Source equal to given a, in this value is given a file, I mean image path, image.jpg or png, anyone. You can load the browser in the image by using image tag. See, just there is a no image, right? In this index.html, just go and browser. You can download an image. Okay. Now this is image is, I can save image as, go to right click, just save image as, way to save in your my folder, go to E drive, go to HTML5 folder, just you can give a small image, just something, give a flower, something. SS I printed is a JPG file, just you can save it. The save the file in the HTML folder. See, in the HTML5 folder as a JPG. This is the image, right? Now this image is visible in the browser. How? By using image tag. Okay. By using image tag. IMG image. This is a self-closing tag. See, just you can no write, I mean no path for the image. Just you can open with live server. Open with live server. There is no image, right? No, you can give an image file path. Which attribute you have to use? Source attribute. source attribute inside this the attribute, this the key, the what is the value? You can given a image path. Where is the path? The ssjpg and index.html both are in the same folder, right? HTML file. In the HTML same folder is a dot. The dot is mentioned for it is using for it is using it. Sorry, the dot is mentioned for the ssjpg in the current folder only. Place in the current folder dot space ss.jpg. Now you can see in the browser, save it and open with browser. See, the image is visible in the browser tab, right? Browser. Which tag you have to use? By using image tag. Source is an attribute. In the source attribute, you can give any. And one more attribute is you can iframe. Okay. Iframe. Iframe tag. What is the use of this iframe? Means external URLs placed inside in your browser, placed inside your HTML file. Like external URLs is there, like Google, HTTP, and external URLs means this is the URL that is embedded, placed inside your HTML file. Okay. Okay, like YouTube videos and other website files you can place in your HTML file. How do you know? By using iframe tag. See, open your file, just iframe. Iframe is in a tag. What is the use of the iframe? External URLs which is embedded in your HTML file. Okay. So iframe, just write a source attribute. You can give external URLs. External URLs means what? Now we can go to some UI Java kit dot. This is the URL, right? Just URL you can copy paste, Control C. Now go to your file, just place that source attribute inside that URL. Just go and check in your browser what happened. Open with live server. See that external. See, this is the uijavakit.com, right? The external file inside your web page by using iframe. Okay. External URLs which is embedded in your HTML file by using iframe tag. Okay. This is the uijavakit.com. This is the another website, right? Now this website in your HTML page. Okay. This is the this is the uijavakit.com. Okay. Now this URL, this page, this application is embedded in your HTML file. How do you know? Using iframe tag. Okay. By using iframe tag, using source attribute, inside you can place here that URL. Now that uijava.com now in your HTML file. Okay. And another one, using some data. Okay. One more is anchor tag. Anchor tag. Okay. What is the use of this anchor tag means? You can navigate to one page to another page by using anchor tag. Okay. Anchor tag, this is anchor tag. Using anchor tag, just you have to write a href attribute. Now you can give a file path. In this href attribute, you can give a file path. Now you can go to navigate to one page to another page. Here, one more file I have to write, create one.html. Now you can write inside a browser h1 anchor navigate from one page to another page. Okay. Now you are in index.html file, right? Now you can directly navigate to one.html. How do you know? By using anchor tag. Anchor tag. See, inside write href attribute. Href attribute. Now you can give the index.html, one.html file. Both are in the same folder. You can give a current folder, right? Current folder mention dot slash. This dot is in a you can in the current folder. Now one.html. You can write inside the tag. Click here. Okay. Now you can save it. See, click here. This is the anchor tag. By default, is in a blue color underline. Now you can go to click on it. Go to. You cannot save it, right? See, directly you can navigate to one page to another page. Okay, by using anchor tag. Understood? This is in a. First of all, you have to know using. You can create a one anchor tag, right? First of all, you have to. This is the inline elemental block level. Now this the anchor is block level or inline. See, one more anchor tag you have to write. Image is in a here. See in the browser. See all are side by side print means image is in a inline. Iframe is in a inline. So anchor is a inline. Because of that, these are printed in the browser side by side. These all elements are image is a inline, iframe is a inline, and anchor tag also inline. Okay. Because of that, it is the print in the browser side by side. Understood? Okay. Now, one more table tag you have to use. Some data display in the browser like table format. Table format, what you know, some columns and rows, right? Data in display in the browser, some rows and columns. Rows and columns format. What type of tags you have to use? Using table tag. Table tag means table, open tag and closing tag. And inside you have to write in a rows, right? Table inside rows. Okay. Now we can define the tr tag. Okay. In the rows, you can write a columns, right? How to write columns? First of all, you have to write a headings, right? Using heading tag, th tag. Okay. Inside a serial number and next tag will be name. Okay. This is the first row of data, first row. And second row, this is the heading tag of the table, right? Now you can write a data. Like another row, right? Again, another row start. Again, tr, right? Serial number. This is the table in head. Next, it in a table in a body, right? td. This is the row. Heading tag is a th. You have to define the th. Now you can write a data. Data in the table, right? In the cell. Now you can write a td. Next row, you can write a data. Like is one. Second one is name. td. Second one. You can write a name like something, SS something. Again, one more row. This is the first row. This is the heading in the first row. This is the first data in the second row. Now again a third line, third row. Again, you can write a third row. Using tr tag inside, you can data. Second one, something a print. Now, see this tag sheet, how to display in the browser. Control C. You can go with Control V. Just save it, open with your browser. How to display the table tag. See, serial number, name, right? This is the 1, this is the SS, this is the 2, AA. Okay. Now, by default, display the table in this one. There is a no borders, right? You can give any border for this table. Like in the table tag, you can a border is an attribute. 1 pixel. Solid black. See, the content width is occupied, right? This is a line by, line by line, but you can entire width you have to occupy the table. Now, what type of attribute you write means width equal to 100%. See, entire width occupied, right? Default some nature is there that you can change it. Okay, by using attribute CSS. Okay, this is the table tag. Understood? This is the first row. First you can write a table tag. First one is tr, right? This is the tr. This is the tr means what? First row. First row, how to define the tag? Tr. This is the first row of element, right? Now inside the first row, there is a 2 columns. This is the heading. Some bold content is there, th. This is the first heading, this is the second heading. How to write? Define a th tag, right? Serial number, first one, and second one you have to write a name. You can write more th tags, you can write it. Okay, just understanding purpose, you have to write small elements, right? And this is the first row you have to complete. Now we can start a second row. Next, you can come to second row. First, you have to second row means first tr. Inside tr, you can write a columns, right? This is the rows. This is the columns. Okay. Horizontally placed is in a rows. This is a vertical. It is in a columns. Okay. First, you have to write a rows. Inside, you have to write in a columns. Okay. Next one is what? First row. Second row. You can write in you can define a tr. Now you can write a td tag. Okay. Data. See, this is the second row. Now you can write a third row, second line. First, you can write a tr inside td. You can place the data inside the td tag. Okay. Understood this concept? Understand? Just drop a message. Understood or not? Okay. Okay. First, understand your tags, how to display out and how to, okay. Each and every tag you can understand how to display the data in the browser. Okay. Based on requirement, you can change it. Okay. First default nature is there, right? First default nature you can print the data in the browser. Then after you can change based on your requirement the tag. Okay. Now you can go the more, you can know the more elements. Just go to this website. One is your concept is uijavakit.com. Okay. can print a chart box. Okay, go through this website, click on HTML. These are elements, inline block level elements, attributes, input controls, HTML tags is there. Just you can read this content. You can don't understand, click on here, go to YouTube video. You can, some topics is there. You can listen it. Okay, concept wise is there, right? And you can more tags, go to one more website, W3 schools. In the W3 schools, you can write a HTML. These are HTML elements. Elements, attributes, heading, paragraph, styles. You can just, you have to see in that how to write heading tag H1 and H2, H3, how to display it. Some tags are displayed, how to display in the some tags. Okay. Some content is there. Just go and check this W3 schools. Okay. More elements is there. List format, tables format. This is the table. Okay, table borders. You can change the table borders. Okay, table sizes, table headers. Change the default behavior. Okay, this is the one table. This is also a one table. This is also one table. Default is there. Default is this one, right? This is a not default. You can change the default behavior. You can go and check. Okay, list format is there. Table styling is there. Okay, table, different tables is right. Next, see, this is the one texture of table, and this is also one texture of table. How to change? See, here style is equal width is equal 100%, right? Just you have to run it. Okay, just you can mention style is equal width is equal 100%. Okay, here some CSS is right in the table. Border is 1 pixel solid black, border collapsed. Here see, by default two type of borders, right? Now you can use collapsed by using CSS attribute. Okay, okay. So tomorrow we'll explain about HTML5 attributes, HTML5 elements. Okay. Any doubts in this session? Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we'll explain HTML5 elements. Okay. Okay. Bye guys. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue the HTML5 elements. Bye everyone. Thank you for joining this session. Okay, Ra.